1979 Cadillac Eldorado, Biarritz, or as you'll hear it called in the States, Biarritz. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter V8 power that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note that the AC would need to be converted, but the compressor does kick on and off with power to it. Let's take a look at the front bumper as far as the chrome and the grille. Hood ornament still intact. Still pictures. Check out all the still pictures. You can be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. White wall radials, Cadillac wheels. As far as the paint, it does show its age a little bit in some different areas. I don't know if you can really see it. Still has a nice shine to it, but just some areas where there's maybe a little touch up. And I'll kind of try to point those out as we go around. And as you can see, the filler panels in the front look good. Let's take a look down this passenger side. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches over here. White leather interior, split bench seat, of course the pillow top. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run. Stainless roof, a vinyl rear quarter section on the roof also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can see the rear filler panels. All intact in there, chrome in the rear bumper. Looks pretty good. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all those still pics. Here's a little spot where paint's been touched up. Stuff like that I'm talking. Another little spot right there, which again, it's kind of tough to see it. It's not that it looks terrible. It's just, it's not perfect. There's some imperfections. If you like Eldorados, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can see up and down the driver's side, I mean, no major dents, dings. I mean, yeah, a few of those little imperfections I kind of pointed out. All right, interior, so dual power seats up front, power windows, power locks. You'll be able to get a good look at the red carpeting in the still pictures, as well as the front and rear seating surfaces. A little bit of wear in the leather over here on the driver's side, which is to be expected. Appears to be original interior, and this is a 1979 model here. Tilt column, cruise control, AM, FM cassette player. I did have the FM radio working here a bit ago. Started up. One very, very light crack in the dash right there. There it is. Stereo working. Odometer reads, what, 17,291. I can't confirm or deny miles on this one due to the fact that with age, it is marked exempt on the title, so I don't have any sort of consecutive mile reading, any history, anything like that. Headliner looking good. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. Kind of sounds like what you'd expect out of a 5.7 liter. Of course, this would be a front-wheel drive platform. A couple things I do want to touch on. Brake pads, 70%. Does have new rear calipers. It also has rear air shocks. Catalytic converters are intact. Under the drivetrain, technician did notice there was some minor seeping, typical for a car that's driven and of this age. Just wanted to point that out. But look at those underside pictures. Look at how solid the underside is. And check that out. That's why we take those pictures, so you can see it. And I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get the hood open. We're going to check out that engine bay. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive as usual, show you how it goes down the road. Good look at the underside of the hood. So flat black. And there it is. 5.7 liter HEI ignition. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC will need a little attention. Appears that it is all here, as you can see, but tech said would need to be converted. 1979 Cadillac Eldorado, stainless steel roof, and it's a Biarritz, or as you hear it called, Biarritz. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1979 Cadillac Eldorado. This would be a two-door Cadillac with a red dash, red carpet, and white interior. Looking very good. Our turn signal indicators are working. Fuel gauge is showing 1/4 of a tank. Quiet, luxurious ride to this Cadillac. Our wipers work on this car. Stereo also working. It's an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Now the steering wheel is clocked slightly to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles, so we can do these driving videos for you. I've got these leather pillow top seats adjusted just perfectly for the most comfort. We've got multi-position tilt, forward and back, up and down. I feel it's almost better than the couch at home. Great road tripping car, great car for long, comfortable rides. And for what it is, even a collector car. Brakes nice and smooth. The era of the hood emblems, when that Cadillac hood emblem stood proudly out at the front nose of the car. Corners, well, corners semi-luxuriously, you might say. Kick down working on that automatic transmission. Power steering feels great. Take a look at all the pictures of this 79 Eldorado at uniqueclassiccars.com.